Hi, my name's Keith Cooper of Northlight Images, and this is a quick video about another cheap gadget which can, $10–15 perhaps, which can help keep your printer in good condition and is useful for lots of other things as well. It is a rechargeable handheld blower. It's a very powerful fan, multiple speeds. Don't remember how much this cost, got it online quite cheaply. Several uses for it. One is some papers, and I noticed this when I was testing a metallic recently, flaked slightly. More usually the problem is that you get dust on some art papers, and using a fan like this, and you can just run across just to blow off any dust off paper before you use it. Unfortunately, you'll probably only know the papers that need it after you've ruined a print from some dust or something on it. But check out any new paper very carefully to see whether it does it. Now, I will fire this thing up. This one is branded Knob Nog. I have no idea. Came in a little box like this. Came with a variety of different nozzles on it and a USB-C charging lead. Now, press it once, it will start up at one rate. Press the button a few more times and it will step up the rate. I say that now because it's noisy enough that you probably won't be able to hear what I'm saying when it's running at full tilt. I've got the flat spread one here on it, and you can just go over your prints and do that. So let's just start it up. Hold it down. There we go. Starts up. That's at the lowest rate. Quite powerful. Press the button again. Steps it up. Now you can feel the air jet on it quite a bit. And once more, and it's now running at full tilt. And we can, you can see it's quite powerful. Let's just hold the button down and it switches it off. Yeah, it is quite noisy. Other things I would recommend using it for. One is keeping the inside of your printer clear of printer dust. But be careful with this, because this is from cleaning the Pro 310, I believe. Be careful about squirting high power air into around where the print head goes. You can blow dust into the wrong places, and also you've got things here, you've got lubrication, you've got other stuff that you don't want to mess with this lot. I've got a video about cleaning printers anyway, several videos covering them. So just be careful of it. I would use it for getting rid of paper dust from the back, the rear feed or something like that. Now, somebody did say, oh, you just blow dust into more inaccessible places. I've not found that. I have actually used a small leaf blower to clean out printers before, and that didn't cause any problems on it. Other things which it's useful for. My cameras get very dusty, and I do use it for cleaning the dust off the rear of the eyepiece viewer here and a few other bits and pieces. Whatever you do, don't squirt air from something like this onto the sensor of a camera. Dust will be sucked in the back here, accelerated and blown into your camera like that. Don't use it for that. For cleaning, just general round the mount and things like that where dust builds up, yeah, not really a problem, but be careful with it. This is quite powerful air, particularly if you put one of the finer nozzles on it. So there you have it. Little device, won't cost you much, useful little thing. Put it in the same category of things like the UV torch and stuff like that. Useful, cheap, light meter as well. I've done loads of these little bits and pieces. Anyway, hope that's of some interest, and whatever. I wouldn't recommend using it as a hairdryer either. There you go. Any questions? Please just ask. And thanks to the person a while ago who suggested this, because I was still using the garden leaf blower. Anyway, bye.